Oh, I haven't told MJ yet.
Hello?
MJ, I got the suit off. And I'm so sorry for
Go on.
treating you and everyone I care about like absolute crap. I'm heading to Oscorp to store the suit until Dr. Connors and I can figure out what to do.
Does Harry know?
No. But Norman's been working on an alternate cure that's showing real promise. We will save Harry.
Well, it's a relief to hear you sounding like yourself again. Go wrap things up. I'll see you at home.
Got a lot more apologies to make when this is all settled. One thing at a time.
Not at all, my dear creature. For the man who has the impudence to fancy himself above the fairest of human nature. Oh, do you do that?
Whether it's on the stage or in the open air, where else can you see legends and soon-to-be legends performing every day? London? That's really far away.
You finally got it off. My hero.
Harry, we've got to destroy it. It's too dangerous. I don't want you to lose yourself. Like I did.
Pete, please.
You don't understand. Connor said it was...
I saved your life? And you won't save mine? Do you want me to die?
Harry, are you... Oh, God.
Harry.
No! Don't hurt him!
to a cure. I know we'll find one. And so does Peter. I'm exploring every possibility there is. The failures we've had, they're normal. They're normal, Harry. The important thing is, you only need to succeed once.
Lock down the whole building!
Tell the other floors to evacuate. There's nowhere else for you to go, Harry.
It's only ends one way! Why is this taking so long? Hostage! Firing!
We need to take this corridor. Where did that lead?
He's here! Light him up! This should get him!
Harry, I screwed up. I knew this suit was dangerous when we found it, and I never should have brought it anywhere close to you. I'm sorry. This isn't all about you. Not yours.
I'm not getting out of here! Right in my sights! Shoot his teeth off! Just one hit to the head! Throwing grenade! Everybody down! Don't make us break out the hard stuff! You're gonna fry for that! Just keep shooting! Grenade out! He'll drop you if you don't stop! I got a shot! Can't be invincible!
Where are you going to go? There's nothing that can... What's the flag right there? Is that ours? Damn it! There are people outside trying to get to you, but stay here. If you're worried about getting in trouble, I can make it go away. I don't have me to stop now. Why won't you say something? Talk to me, Harry! I can fix this! I can save you! Let me save you! Harry, don't!
Please! Please!
you can do? Or is there more?
Everyone here!
Train for this.
Walk with your blade!
There's no need to run. Don't let him slide under you.
That's it! Show us everything!
We were separated because of you.
That's all! Long have I dreamt of a perfect death, drenched in fire and blood. Will you give it to me?
You destroyed our work, hurt our friends.
Then come, let your vengeance feast upon my flesh! Yes! Yes, you will be my final hunt, and I shall be your first. Let us show the world what death should be.
You want death? Then give up.
I want it to be worthy of me! Do you know what it's like to have your body betray you? Weakness will not claim me! If I am to die soon, I will die roaring!
You're just a little man.
I have conquered every land and tamed nature itself. Man is beneath me!
I don't... What did I just do?
Don't be scared, honey. You finally have the power to do what we've always wanted. We're going to heal the world.
How?
Let me show you.
How am I gonna find you out there? Our EMF badges were RF enabled. If Harry's still wearing his badge, I can use Oscorp's satellite dishes to find him. Please be wearing that badge. Great. Getting a strong signal that way. Time to move. This signal is... moving around. It's gotta still be on Harry. I was such a jerk to Harry when I had that suit. I need to find him, apologize, and try to get through to him. Closing in on you, buddy. Help's on the way. Hang in there. We'll get this thing off you. And I'll work with your dad and Dr. Connors to get you fixed up. Somehow. Let's pinpoint his location a bit more. He's gotta be under that overpass. What is all this stuff? Harry, you back here? Damn, just his badge. He's still around here somewhere. I know he'll listen to me if I can just get through to him. Yes, there you are. Harry? It's me. Hey, Harry. Can you hear me? Listen, we're gonna figure out a cure. Something better. Harry? You're not... Kinda miss having that extra symbiote! symbiote strength right now! More. Did Harry turn these people into symbiotes somehow? This is horrific. How do I stop them without hurting them? These things are brutal. Gonna need Miles' help.
Miles, tell me something good.
Miles, there's trouble with Harry. He got the suit back, and it changed him. He's turning people into symbiotes somehow. I'm holding my own, but it's like punching molasses. Gotta find a better way to get these things off of people. Call me. Looks like I freed one of them. I gotta find Harry and stop him before this gets worse. Just stay calm. Don't move. You'll be okay. I hope. You sure you're okay? Miles, I need help with these things.
Got your messages. Sorry, I've been looking for my mom. Assume you saw Craven's dead?
What? No.
You think it was Harry?
Maybe. Probably. We've got to stop him.
Okay, I've got an idea. When you were under the influence, certain sounds made you weak.
That bell. But we can't just carry it around.
No, but I have this mixing app on my phone. I can recreate the bell sonic elements. Then we can use it against Harry and his army.
That's genius. Glad you decided to study music tech.
Feel free to share that opinion with the college acceptance board. What's up, Genki?
There you are. Your mom and I
We
are...
were looking for you.
And I was looking for you. I texted you I was okay.
Well, I didn't get it because we've been on the subway, looking for you.
We're glad you're okay. I'll ride with your mom back home. Can you meet us?
Gotta deal with something first, but I'll be there as soon as I can. Okay. Gotta recreate the sound of Craven's bell. What sounds can I use around here? Perfect. Same shape as Craven's bell. Even if it's a tenth the size. Almost. Need some echo. Here we go. Yes. Super echo recorded. Whoa! Symbiotes! How'd they get uptown so fast? Sorry I punched you. Just stay down until I'm done here. Pete was right. These things are fierce. Gotta remember there are people in there. Better finish off this mix before more of them show up. Got a good bell sound, but it's a little harsh. Gotta layer in some mids. That container looks promising. If I drop it, I'll get some nice resonance. Yes! Recorded it. Almost done. Just need a low frequency boost. With a pulse. Something like... a helicopter's blades.
Gotta get up there. Need to get right up to the rotor. Yes, got it.
Oh no! Here come more! Where are they coming from?
Spider-Man! Symbiotes follow me uptown. Could use your help.
I'm on my way. Did you get your sound?
Yeah, now I just need to figure out how to weaponize him.
I've got a plan for that. Be there soon.
Come on, Pete! Where are you?
I'm here. What'd I miss?
Very funny. Let me transfer these sounds.
Hopefully this'll...
Come on! Go!
Whoa! You worked! Nice job, Miles! Now let's save these people!
Get them right on time! Nice one! Hope you learned your lesson.
We did it!
I dropped a pin for EMTs. They'll take care of these people.
Good thinking.
Subway is messed up. The train is totally stuck. Like goo on the windows.
Yankee?
Douglas Circle. There's a bunch of it.
Yankee, we're on our way.
Great.
Get here, mijo. I love you.
Love you too. Why is Harry doing this? Creating all these things?
I don't think Harry's the one doing it. At least not the Harry I know.
Then who is? The symbiote?
Yeah, I'm no expert, but it seems like it's trying to make itself a new home.
Harry? That's Harry?
Where'd he go? We'll find him later. Right now, we need to save your mom and Genki. Watch yourself!
Harry looked a lot different than you did when you had the suit.
I think that would have been me eventually, if you had saved me.
Gotta check in with Mom and Genki. They're not answering. We gotta get in there.
We will, as soon as we clear the area.
What if they turned into one of these things?
Don't think about that. Let's just fight these things and get in there.
Yeah,
The doors are stuck.
we gotta move these tendrils somehow.
You need to hurry.
All these tendrils are alive and connected. There's gotta be a central nerve somewhere. Bingo! Let's hit a nerve.
It's pulling back.
But not enough. They're still trying to get into the trains. There's gotta be another nerve cluster around here.
Oh, wow.
Too big for a single sonic burst. Think we can chain some together?
Yeah, we do need time to sync up.
How much time does it need?
Bro, did you hear that?
How much time?
A minute? Maybe a little more?
Keep your spidey sense sharp. This might get wild.
These things really don't want us here. Nice! Good one! My turn! Pete! They're near the heart!
Nice job!
They're getting close to the weapon!
Great! Keep that momentum!
That was dope. I don't like this. They're too close. They're shooting stuff at us.
I know! Just keep moving!
That's good. We need to stop these guys now. Those people are counting on us. Almost there. Just need one more to sink. Miles, can you hear it? Tentacles coming in the wind of us. It's trapping people. Just hang on.
We see you. You can do it.
We need to defend the weapons to save the train.
Keep it up! Just a little longer! Just a few seconds longer!
We did it.
Let's get to your mom and Genki.
Spider-Man. You're okay. What happened?
I took your advice. I let go of some things that didn't serve me. Come on.
That really sucks. I thought I was gonna die. My life was flashing before my eyes.
You're good, man.
That time, when we went mini golfing for my birthday and I got that hole-in-one to win, I cheated. I just picked up the ball and dropped it in when you weren't looking, and
You were 8.
And honestly, I never liked the sandwiches you traded for at lunch, but I went along with it because I knew how much you loved my mom's banchan, and I'm seeing someone new, by the way. Her name's Andy, and she's great, and please don't kill me, but I just thought of a sequel for Sweet Nonagon, and I...
Wait. Andy from Kim? Oh, she's real cool.
Thanks for saving us.
Look, I'm sorry I've been so busy. I'll do better. Make the time to hang out.
Be careful. Genki, let's get uptown. I'll make you something good for dinner.
Next step?
Find Harry.
I'll take downtown.
I got uptown! Well, I'm looking for Harry. I should check in on some other things. Sorry, fellas. Got some reconnaissance on my to-do list. Oh, great. Reinforcements.
Changing position!
Now to do some snooping. Hope you deleted your search history, fellas. All right, Droney. What do you know that I don't? A map of a base. I think I can dig around to see what's waiting for me there. If I take out the base's relay, the hunters there won't be able to call for reinforcements. Looks like you've been to 2 other blinds. Maybe if I explore the rest of the blinds, I'll find myself a base. Maybe Harry's back at his place. Can't hurt to check. Weighing in at like a few ounces from who knows where, Spider-Bot!